per year.
You only be like $10 if you would extra.
I'm with Metro.
What about percentage of check? Approximately how much should you be saving?
40%.
10%.
80. I save about 50. I'm trying to. I save as much as possible. Nothing extra. Nothing like trivial.
The whole thing.
It really just depends on your life, like the way you live.
It does.
I'm
So-
just saying.
Pretty
Like,
simple.
like,
It's good.
It's
Friday is a box.